Hey guys, this is a book review for Lydia's Commonsense Italian Cooking cookbook. So Lydia has a TV show. I love her. She does so many great, mostly Italian meals. This looks really good. Yeah, she does do plenty of meat dishes and also celebrates vegetables. She makes great vegetable dishes. I'm paging through and seeing some of these are razor clams with the garlic. She loves her shellfish, fish, meats, mushrooms. That's a beautiful one there with lentils. Yeah, so I love her writing. She does do a little bit of storytelling and thoughts on the dishes. I like that they're pretty simple but still very flavorful. I feel like a lot of Italian cooking, it's a lot about the ingredients and getting like a good quality tomato and a good quality mozzarella and then having that really shine on the plate. So yeah, I just love her tone. This is a great cookbook.